all for the today's English class. Do you know, children, what we are going to do in this session? To enhance your reading and writing skill, today in this session we are going to write a paragraph in cursive and we are going to read a book passage from your textbook Honeydew. Are you ready, children, to read and write? Children, to make you understand and realize the importance of reading and writing, let's see a video to portray it.
Kids learn to read and write best when they learn to read and write together. To read and write together.
I have been looking for you, Bunty, and you are sitting here alone. Oh, sorry, with your friend.
I know you're teasing me, but it's okay. It's just because you don't know the pleasure a book can give.
Hey, you promised to share more about the importance of reading. Tell me, I am waiting.
Reading is vital because it is how we discover new things. We live in an age where we overflow with information, and with reading, we can educate ourselves in any area of life we are interested in. Reading develops imagination. With reading, a person can go anywhere in the world or even out of it. Non-readers can never experience these joys.
Amazing, Bunty. What are the other benefits of reading?
You might be knowing that reading helps in building one's vocabulary. But do you know that through reading, you build a more solid foundation for communication? When you read, you understand more and thus you can communicate better with people. Whereas if you don't read, you can't connect with the world.
Now I can understand how important reading is.
Good, you understood that. And one more thing, many well-paying companies hire people who have good reading and comprehension skills because they believe that they perform well.
Thank you so much, Bunty. You really are a whiz. You have enlightened me.
Children, now you might have understood and realized why reading and writing is very, very important for us. Children, as a new start, our school initiated this step to improve your reading and writing skill. So, children, kindly give your full support and cooperation to us. Surely, it will make a huge changeover in your way of writing and in your fluency in reading. So, dear parents, kindly motivate and insist our ward to improve their handwriting and reading skill. Without your support, it's not possible, dear parents. So, kindly support us to improve our children's reading and writing skill. Children, are you ready for the reading and writing class? Yes. Follow my instruction carefully and do accordingly. Children, first let's start the reading part. Children, are you ready? Shall we start now? Yes.
Children, let's start. Children, let's start the reading passage from the first lesson, prose, from our Honeydew book, The Best Christmas Present in the World. THE the BEST best Christmas 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 present 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 in the world WORLD world. So look at the first gist of the story here. Before you read, BEFORE, before you read. There are some dates and periods of time in the history of the world So, children, take your textbook, Honeydew. Keep following me. Take page number 9. Keep your fingers. Read along with me. Take your textbook and read along with me. Keep your fingers and follow me, children. There are some dates and periods, periods, periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant, significant, that everyone knows and remembers them. Remembers them. Look at the next line, children. The story you will read mentions one such date and event. A war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? Do you know which event the dates below refer to? Option A, 4 July 1776. Option B, 17 December 1903. Option C, 6th August 1945. Option D, 30th January 1948. Option E, 12th April 1961. Option F, 20th July 1969. The answers are on page number 23. So that's the gist of the story, children, the warm-up area. Let's start the first part of the story in our today's reading session. Look at the first part here. I spotted, S-P-O-T-T-E-D, spotted it in a junk shop, J-U-N-K, junk shop in Bridport, B-R-I-D, Bridport, P-O-R-T, port, Bridport, a roll-top desk. I spotted in a junk shop in Bridport a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. It had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces, one leg clumsily mended, scratch means burnt mark, all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought it could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers, DRAWERS, drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. So that's the first page from our first chapter, Prose, the best Christmas present in the world. We have read for the reading part for today's session, children. Let's move on to the writing area now. Children, let's start our writing part. Children, now let's see the writing part. So take your handwriting book, sharp your pencil, take your eraser. So first, the very important thing to write your handwriting, these things are important. Sharp your pencil with eraser, keep it ready, write the date. So when you start write the handwriting, first you must start with the date. So keep it in mind. So write the date, then start write neatly as it is given in the lines, in the first lines and the dotted lines. Then you need to write the remaining 2 lines, children. So follow the instruction as it is and do it accordingly. Children, take the first page, first line, that is slanting line. Write the date first. Date is very, very important. So first write the date. Write it as 2/8/2021. Sharp your pencil. Have your eraser with you. Start write the first dotted line neatly. Write it over it. It should not be coming out. So you should write over the dotted line only. The line should not be changed. So how many lines were there in the dotted line, the same line should be written down in the remaining 2 lines. So follow the instruction and write it, children. Like the same way, you need to write the next line, that is double slanting line. So write it over the dotted line properly. The line should not be coming out. It should be inside the dotted line only. After writing the dotted lines, you have to write the remaining 2 lines, children. So this is your today's handwriting. Take a snapshot and send it to me in the group. So this is your assignment, children, today's assignment. So first you need to write the first slanting line, single slanting line. Next you need to write the double slanting line. So complete these 2 blocks. First, along with this, I am going to give you another assignment. So write neatly and practice it. Definitely it will improve your handwriting. So watch the video now. Children, after writing your handwriting book, those single slanting line and double slanting line, you have to complete the 2 blocks today. After that, please practice this strokes in your rough note or in the 3 lines notebook. Definitely it will improve your handwriting and also make use of the opportunity to develop your reading and writing skills, children.